Stop for a moment. Your brain is stuck in a loop of overthinking, and it's tiring you out. Today, we apply a practical education from the Buddha, the art of returning to the present. This is what science calls grounding. Now, let's anchor your senses to the present moment. Name 5 things you can see right now. 1. A quiet forest. 2. Green leaves. 3. A calm lake. 4. A flowing river. And 5. White clouds. Now, find 4 things you can touch. Feel the texture, the temperature. 1. A smooth stone. 2. The cool soil. 3. The rough bark of a tree. And 4. The softness of the grass. Listen for 3 sounds, distant or near. 1. The peaceful singing of birds. 2. The gentle bubbling of a mountain stream. And 3. The resonant sound of a meditation bell. This process forces your nervous system to leave the storm of thoughts and land safely in reality. Now, name 2 things you can smell. 1. The delicate scent of blooming flowers. And 2. The fresh, salty air of the ocean. And finally, name 1 thing you can taste. Maybe it's the lingering sweetness of a drop of golden honey. In Buddhist wisdom, suffering exists in the past or future. Peace is only found here, in this moment. Feel your body becoming heavy, connected, and grounded. You are not your thoughts. You are the observer of your thoughts. Let them pass like clouds in the sky. Your nervous system is now calm. Your mind is clear. This is your natural state of education. Carry this presence into your next hour. You are grounded. You are safe. Everything you need is already within you. You are here, and that is enough. Thank you for practicing with me today. You've taken a beautiful step toward your own well-being. If this practice helped you find a moment of peace, consider subscribing to our channel. Think of it as a gentle commitment to your mental health, a way to ensure that these moments of calm are always within your reach. You deserve a space where you can always return to center, to breathe, and to heal. Let's walk this path of mindfulness together. Peace begins within. Stay mindful.